Hi guys, welcome back to today's video where we are going to be taking a look at the barrel racing dB killers. So they're what they are is decibel killers for your SC Project exhaust. And this is a 2025 Ducati Hypermotard 950 SP. So it's only got like 500 miles on it right now. And beautiful bike. Absolutely beautiful bike. Picked it up, got a few rides on it, got a few rides on it, not a ton of riding, but from what I can say so far, absolutely amazing bike. So let's take a look. I just want to get you guys a sound clip without the decibel killers in here. So we're gonna fire it up right now. As you can see, there's nothing in there. So let's get this fired up and see what it sounds like. All right, let's get this guy fired up. Here we go. You ready? It's gonna be loud. Okay, there we are. That's without the decibel killers in there. So I got the DJI mic on me. So that way you can kind of get an idea how it sounds away from it. I'm going to put the camera on a tripod back here and then leave it the same distance and then record the sound with the decibel killers in it. Or actually I could just stand here because it does kind of sound the same. But I'll show you what I mean. If I'm over by the bike trying to talk to you and I leave the mic here, we'll see how well you can hear me. I got the mic. Okay, mic's over there. So I don't know how well you can hear me. I am talking at a normal rate. It is pretty darn loud. It's a little cold right now. A little cold, so it doesn't want to idle, but anyway, not sure if you could hear me or how that was, but it's definitely loud right now. Alright guys, so here the dB killers are. It's just got these 3 set screws in the back of them, and if you order them, you got to order 2. Now if you're really observant, you'll see it's gloss paint here and kind of flat here. That's because I went ahead and, let me see, I went ahead and I used a bench grinder and I ground down this little bit here, just a little bit, because these were a little too hard to fit all the way in like that. They were just a little bit too thick. So I just ground them both down a little bit and then used high temp paint and repainted just this part here. This side here is how they come naturally, this color. So that's how they naturally come right there. So we'll get these put in and then you guys can check them out. One side fits better in a certain side. So that side slides all the way in and that side not quite. Yeah, there we go. There. So they're both, so as you can see, they're both all the way in now. And they fit nice and tight, as you can see there. So now all we do is take our Allen wrench and then tighten them up. Tighten up the 3 set screws right here. You can start tightening by finger. And there's too many bugs here in Minnesota, so I'm not going to bore you with this part. It is a little tedious trying to get these on here, but it doesn't take too long. Just start them by hand, get them kind of halfway tight, then use your Allen wrench to tighten them all the way down, and then they will not come out. So once I get that done, I'll show you the rest of it. All right guys, you can see we got the barrel racing dB killers in there. And now let's get it fired up so you guys can hear what it sounds like. And I do have the DJI mic on me, so it's over here by the bike. So let's see how well this sounds. Alright, that's way quieter. I'll leave the mic over here again. So I had the tripod before about right here. Almost identical. So I'll leave the mic over here with the tripod again, and I'll go over by the bike and talk. So hopefully you guys can see what it sounds like again. Same spot, same position, everything. Alright. Not sure what it sounds like. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm trying to talk about the same volume level. Mic definitely sounds a lot better. If you guys tell a difference, hopefully you can. Because in person it is a lot quieter. So hopefully you guys can tell the difference. But that's the Barrel Racing DB Killers, guys. So hope you like the video. You want more videos? Favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. Leave a comment down below, guys. Welcome to the channel if you haven't been here. Check out my past videos and let me know what you want to see in future videos. All right, later, guys. With that, I'm gonna go for a ride.